Hello everyone. Let us discuss some MCQs on keyboard. As we know that keyboard is an input device, it is used to enter data into the computer. Keyboard is an important part of the computer system as we use a pen or a pencil to write in our notebook. Similarly, we need a keyboard to type anything on the computer. And there are different types of keys on the keyboard, like alphabet keys, number keys, special keys. Let us now discuss the MCQs based on this topic. So the first MCQ is keyboard is a dash device. Input device, output device, processing device, or memory device. So keyboard is an input device. There are dash alphabet keys on the keyboard, and your options are 10, option B 26, option C 56, option D 20. And here the right option is 26. For each alphabet there is one key, so there are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. MCQ number 3 is there are dash number keys on the keyboard, and your options are 10, 26, 56, or 20. So there are 20 number keys on the keyboard. They are at two places, 0 to 9, numbered from 0 to 9. So one place is above the alphabet keys, and second place is on the right hand side of the keyboard. So 0 to 9 number keys are above the alphabet keys, and 0 to 9 number keys are on the left hand side of the keyboard. So total there are 20 number keys. Now question number 4 is there are dash enter keys on the keyboard. So there are two enter keys on the keyboard, and the function of enter key is to bring the cursor to the beginning of the next line on the monitor, and it is also known as return key. Next MCQ is there are dash arrow keys on the keyboard, and your option A is 2, option B is 4, option C is 6, and option D is 8. So there are 8 arrow keys on the keyboard. So right option is option D, 8. They are used to move the cursor on the screen. Arrow keys are also known as cursor movement keys. Up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. These are the arrow keys and located at two places. So total there are 8 arrow keys on the keyboard. Now next question is different types of keys on the keyboard are alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, or all of the above. And here the right option is all of the above. All these are the types of keys available on the keyboard. Now, seventh question is for typing in English, we use dash keys. Now, which keys are used for typing? Options are A is alphabet key, B is number key, C is special key, or all of the above. So, the alphabet keys which are marked from A to Z are used to type English words on the monitor with the help of keyboard. So the right option is option A, alphabet key. Now the sequence of alphabets on the keyboard is A, B, C, D, E, F. Option B is Q, W, E, R, T, Y. C is U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And D is J, K, L, M, N. And here the right option is option number B, Q, W, E, R, T, Y. That is why keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. A standard QWERTY keyboard consists of 104 alphabet keys. Now, why this QWERTY sequence? When typing in English, we use some letters more frequently than others. Thus, the keyboard is designed to help us reach the most frequently used keys easily. That is why this sequence is in the form of QWERTY, and keyboards are also known as QWERTY keyboard. Now question number 9 is the longest key on the keyboard is option A is enter key, option B is escape key, option C is caps lock key, and option D is space bar key. So the longest key on the keyboard is space bar key. Function of this key is it is used to give blank space between the text. Now 10th question is escape key is also known as ESP, ESC, PSE, or none of the above. So here the right option is ESC. On the keyboard it is written ESC, which indicates escape key. It is used to exit or escape from the task, and its short term is ESC. Now question number 11 is blinking line while typing is called when we type something on the computer, a blinking line appears there, and that blinking line is known as option A is cursor, option B is dot, option C is turtle, and option D is pen. So here the right option is option A, cursor. So the blinking line which is seen on the keyboard, which is seen on the monitor while typing from the keyboard is known as cursor. This cursor tells the location or the current position of the screen where the text or numbers will appear when we type using keyboard. Now next is question number 12 is escape key is used to option A is exit, option B is open, option C is replace, and option D is save. So here the right option is option A, exit. It is used to exit or escape from the task. 13th question is another name of enter key is escape key, return key, caps lock key, or number key. And the other name of enter key is return key. So right option here is option B, return key. Question number 14, caps lock key is a dash key, alphabet key, number key, special key, or all of the above. Caps lock key is used to write in capital letters. It performs a special function to write in capitals. Therefore, it is a special key. So, right option here is option C, special key. Now, question number 15 is this key is used to give blank spaces between the texts. A is spacebar key, B is enter key, option C is escape key, and option D is arrow key. So here the right option is a space bar key. So a space bar key is used to give blank space between the text. Question number 16 is this key brings the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Enter key, escape key, number key or space bar key. So it is the enter key. Its function is to bring the cursor to the beginning of the next line on the monitor. So right option is option A, enter key. Now question number 17 is shape of escape key is square, rectangle, triangle or none of the above. So the shape of the escape key is square. It is square in shape. So right option is option A, square. Let us go for question number 18. This key is a rectangular in shape. Escape key, shift key, del key or enter key. Escape key, shift key and del key, these are small keys. These all are square in shape and enter key is rectangular in shape. So here the right option is option D, enter key. Question number 19 is number keys are numbered from 0 to 9. Option B is 1 to 10. Option C is 0 to 10 and option D is 1 to 20. So here the right option is option A, 0 to 9. The number keys are marked from 0 to 9. So all the digits can be formed from these 10 digits 0 to 9. Last question of this session is we need a keyboard for typing, drawing, playing or storing. It is used for typing. So till the time you enhance your knowledge by studying these questions, we will meet in next video with some more MCQs, and till the time you enjoy this video, but don't forget to like it and subscribe it. Thank you.